In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header in WordPress. We'll walk through the built-in site editor so you can update your logo, navigation, and other header elements confidently and publish your changes site-wide. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head to Appearance, then select Editor. This is the site editor for block themes, and it lets you visually change parts of your site without writing code. If you don't see Editor under Appearance, your active theme may not support the site editor yet. In that case, consider switching to a block-based theme when you're ready. For now, let's continue inside the editor. Inside the editor, open the Patterns panel, then go to Template Parts, and choose Header. Template parts are reusable regions, like the header and footer that appear across many pages. Editing the header here updates it everywhere it's used. If your theme includes multiple header variations, you'll see them listed. Pick the one you want to modify so you're working on the correct version. Now you're ready to edit the blocks inside the header. Click the logo or site title to select it. If you have a logo block, you can replace the graphic with a new file from your media library and fine-tune the size, style, and spacing. If your header shows a site title block, you can adjust typography, weight, and color to match your brand. Next, select the navigation block to manage your menu. You can add new links, drag and drop to reorder items, create submenus, and choose how the menu behaves on mobile, such as showing a hamburger toggle. Many themes include a search block, social icons, or a call to action button in the header. Feel free to select these blocks, update their text, links, icons, and spacing, or remove them if you prefer a cleaner look. Use the list view to quickly select nested blocks and open the settings panel to adjust alignment, padding, margins, and visibility on different screen sizes. For cohesive branding, you can also update background and text colors within the header area so everything remains readable and accessible. When you're happy with the changes, click Save. WordPress will show a summary of what's being updated. Confirm to apply those changes across your site. Give your site a quick refresh in another tab to preview the result and make sure everything looks good on desktop and mobile. That's it. You've successfully changed your header in WordPress using the site editor.